guys, right now we're doing the arrivals of RFC World Philippine cars. So you have to witness this because it's gonna be amazing.
Hello! Ito ako ngayon sa RFC World Philippines. Isa tong pinakamalaking ceremonial arrival ng mga nanalo ng mga cars. Yan, papakita natin maya-maya konti. So, ito na yan.
The arrival of RFC World Philippines car party!
Right now, at the corporate office, so I can't wait to witness our 4-star award. So I'm really excited, together with the team, together with the leaders, witnessing the arrival of the RFC World cars. So,
ito yung mga masasakyan na yung mga magagaling na mga speaker. So, ito makakuha nila mga sasakyan. So, ito, yan. So, ito yung mga masasakyan nila, yan. Diba? Ang saya dito. Makakakuha ko yun ng mga sasakyan dito ng mga ganito. RF3 number 2 RF3 So, ito sila, yan.
Again, good morning everyone! Welcome to this exciting ceremonial car awarding event hosted by RFC World Philippines! Yes, my name is Rudy May Barnahe, your resident host. Before we dive into the awards, I would like to take a moment to thank our leadership team headed by our country head, Mr. Alan Kaunan, and everyone involved in making this event possible. Your support is invaluable in fostering a culture of recognition and motivation. And I also acknowledge Dr. Sri Nazari Omar as our inspiration and motivation for today. Now, let's get to the moment we've all been waiting for! The awards and giving of ceremonial gift. We will be honoring 6 exceptional employees who have gone above and beyond their roles. Each recipient has demonstrated exceptional dedication, innovation, and teamwork.
Congratulations!
RFP, join us in our journey!
Ganda oh! Sir, congratulations sir! Bagong car oh! Bagong car! Ganda oh! Next, kayo naman ang magkakaroon ng ganito. Ganda! Sir, congratulations!
It's a good company. Thank you very much for this company. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Congratulations! Oh, sakay na sir! Sakay!
Congratulations, Mr. Jaime Lanzamana!
Sir, sakay ka na sir! Para video ang kita!
Next
Sakay ka na!
awardee, let's hear it for
Sakay ka sir.
Miss April
Parabigyan kita.
Gordo.
Ganda oh. Congratulations sir. Yan.
Thank you.
Next kami naman. Next. Thank you sir. Okay sir, message.
Yes. Salamat RF Reward, Sir Nasri, Sir Alan, and Sir EJ. So sa mga nakikinig po ngayon, ang opportunity na ito ay para sa lahat po. Equal opportunity. So ngayon po, sa mga nakikinig at nanood sa ating vlogger, sa ating kaibigan si Sir Jan, huwag na po kayo magdalawang isip. This is amazing opportunity. Welcome to the club po. Welcome to the family. RF Reward will be #1 in the world.
Yes, thank you sir. Congratulations again. Thank you. Malaking bless to. Thank you.
Sir.
Ma'am, congratulations. Grabe.
Once again, congratulations, Miss April, for our next awardee. He is a diamond executive.
Bigyan kita.
May I call on Mr. Ramon Norman.
Congratulations, ma'am. Yan, di ba? May sasakyan na silang bago.
Thanks, RFP. Thank you.
Maraming salamat. Yun lang. Congratulations talaga sa'yo kasi isang blessed talaga to ng RFT World Philippines, di ba, ma'am? Yan, Sir Ramon.
Again, I give you Mr.
Boss,
Ramon
congratulations, boss. Grabe, oh. Congratulations, boss.
Let's give him our loudest
Boss.
cheer! For the next awardee, to be awarded again by Mr. Alan Naunan. Miss
Congratulations, boss. Nice one, boss. Congratulations. Diba? Nakaka-proud. Thank you, boss.
Please, may we request everyone to please go to your respective bars.
Boss.
RF Reward is the best opportunity. I made it, and you can do it also. Just see the opportunity. You will be the best.
And thank you, boss. Congratulations again, boss. Grabe. Nakaka-proud. Binyagan na yan, boss.
Yes!
Ma'am, congratulations. Congratulations. Okay. Ano masabi mo?
Thank you so much. Happy RFP World, baby.
Grabe, oh. Congratulations, ma'am. Pasakay ng car mo dito, oh. Bago. Pinamimigay ng RF Reward Philippines.
Again, congratulations, Miss Susan.
Yes, congratulations. Congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you, Karawal.
Yan, congratulations, ma'am. Message.
Thank you, RFP. Thank you, Sir Nasser Omar, for privilege giving the Karaward. And thank you, Sir Alan Taunan, for country manager in the Philippines. Yay!
Congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Let's hear loudest cheer!
Umiyak ka.
Tears of happiness.
Our last but definitely not the least, our next awardee, Mr. Remo Brasa.
Yan, congratulations.
Thank you. Kayo na po.
Yes, kami naman.
Work lang.
Thank you.
Thank you. Of the ceremonial king. Ay, kasama!
Sir, smile ka naman, sir. Yun, congratulations, boss. Grabing blessing. Ganda. Congratulations. RF3 World Philippines. Congratulations. Ang dami sasakyan, no? Pinamimigay. Dami.
Salamat po sa magandang opportunity ni Dato Sri Nasari Omar. Ito po talagang magandang opportunity.
Thank you, sir. Maraming salamat at congratulations again.
Salamat po ng marami. Congratulations.
Ang dami, oh. RF3, pinamimigay nila. Grabe. Pangarap natin magkakaroon ng sasakyan. Next ay tayo naman. I-claim natin yan. Ibibigay ni Lord yan at hihintayin lang natin. So, nakaka-excite magkaroon ng ganitong sasakyan. Ang gaganda, oh. Grabe. Legit na legit po ito. Pinamimigay po ng RF3 World Philippines po. Boss! Grabe! Diba? Oh, diba?
See the opportunity of our World Company.
Yan, diba?
The best. And you will be the next.
Pinamimigay ng RF3 World, oh. Philippines. Grabe. Next, tayo naman. Next. Okay.
Again, I present to you our first ever carnival.